Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the real number such that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square not equal to 0. So, we have this situation alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square not equal to 0. Then we have alpha plus gamma equals to 1. Suppose that the point this and this with respect to the plane, this is not okay. So this is plane. Now look at this question this way. Suppose that the equation of plane is this. Okay, and this is your what? Alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z equals to delta. You need to find out what in the options what they will ask you to find out combination of alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So we will try to find out all four combinations. Now as they are saying that suppose the point this is the mirror image of this. So we have a point this 1 0 minus 1 and its mirror image is what? Somewhere here, and it is 3 2 minus 1. Correct? Now first what I would like to do is, can you tell me a normal vector along this plane? So you will answer, sir, normal vector will be alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k. Now don't you think that the normal vector will be parallel to the yellow line? So can I go with, suppose it is b, suppose it is a, so can I go with ab vector? So it is b minus a. So b minus a is what? 2i, then 2j, then 0k. So don't you think that these combination would be the same? So can I say that? And you can also go with the ratio. Sir, alpha is 2, beta is 2, gamma is 0. So you can also say that, sir, alpha is 4. We can multiply. But the ratio will remain the same. Okay, suppose you will take it as lambda. So alpha will become 2 lambda, beta will become 2 lambda, gamma will become 0. So suppose alpha is not alpha, this is lambda. Okay, so suppose that lambda is 1. So can I say that alpha is 2, beta is 2 and gamma is 0? So we already figured out these three components, and they are saying that alpha plus gamma is 1. So alpha plus gamma, okay, if alpha plus gamma is 1, can I divide all side by 2 so that we can make it legitimate? So it is 1, beta is 1, gamma is 0. Now this problem is fixed. Now you can say that, sir, alpha plus gamma is 1 for sure. Correct? So we have figured out some of the combinations. Now still we need who is delta. So go with this way. As you know that B is the image of A. So can I say that this midpoint R, this midpoint R will 100% lie on the plane? Correct, wrong? Correct? So find out the midpoint R. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. This plus this minus 1. So this point will 100% lie on the plane. Now just use the values of alpha, beta, gamma to find out delta. You know alpha is 1, so it is x, beta is 1, so it is y, gamma is 0, so vanish equals to delta. Now we will satisfy the point. So if we will satisfy, in place of x we need to put 2, in place of y we need to put 1. So can I say that the value of delta will become 3? Okay, so value of delta becomes 3. I hope you got all the values of alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Now you guys can handle any situation in this problem. Okay, so see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.